Hey there, dreamers and doers and future world changers. I'm Shane Moran, and welcome to Victory Skool, Goal Setting Made Easy. This is a free, yes, completely free 20-part video series that's about to light a fire under your biggest ambitions, under your biggest dreams, under your biggest goals. You know, if you've ever felt stuck or unsure of where you're going, or like life is just passing you by, this is for you. Stick with me the next few minutes because I'm about to show you why goals are the secret sauce to creating a greater, grander, and more amazing future, and how we're going to build up something massive together. All right. Isn't that exciting? So here's the deal, right? Goals aren't just a to-do list. They're magnets. They're just like magnets, and they'll pull you forward into a greater, grander, and more amazing future that you can't even imagine right now. You know, too many of us set too few goals, or worse, most of us set no goals at all. They're all in our head. Oh, I have goals, and they're in your head. I'm saying, no. You got to write them down. You know, if you can be, do, and have anything you want, but you've got to write your goals down. And that's what Victory Skool is going to teach you all about. And people then don't write their goals down, and they wonder why they're not moving the needle. They're not moving ahead. They're spinning around back over and over and over again. And at Victory Skool, we believe that you should dream bigger and set too many goals rather than too few, and let them drag you kicking and screaming into a future that absolutely blows your mind. So let me ask you something. Why the heck isn't this taught in schools? Have you ever asked yourself that question? You know, think about it for a second. I have often asked myself, why aren't they teaching? How come I didn't learn this in school? How come they're not teaching this in school? Just think about it. We spend years learning math and history and science, but where's the class on how to design your life? Where's the class on how to turn your wildest dreams into reality? Where's the class on it's possible, no matter what the dream, no matter what the goal? It's crazy, right? Well, that's where Victory Skool comes in. We're here to fill in that gap and to teach people just like you what they should have learned maybe years ago, step by step. We're going to do it step by step. It's free because you have unlimited potential. Yes, limitless. And it's time to unlock that limitlessness. And you already know this. You already know that you're limitless. So let's go. All right. So what's this all about? First, this is the first video right here in a 20-part video series and it's an introduction to kick things off, to explain this, and followed by a playlist of about 20 videos that will walk you through everything you need to set goals like a pro and actually achieve them. So we want you to set the goals, but we also want you to get them, celebrate those victories. We're not here to mess around, by the way. My goal and our goal is to build a massive community of goal getters, not go-getters, goal getters, right? People that are chasing their dreams and that are celebrating their success together. People just like you who are ready to take control of their lives. You know, this isn't just a course. It's a movement, and it starts right here, right now. And it starts with you, right? So here's what you're in for. Over the next 20 videos, I'll break down goal setting into bite-sized, easy to digest steps. Very, very easy. If it's not easy, if it's not simple, I'm not doing it. All right. So this is nothing complicated. As a matter of fact, if you have children or grandchildren 8 years and above, you'll be able to take this information, you'll be able to share it with them so that they start setting goals and so on. So we'll talk about dreaming big. We'll talk about smashing through excuses and staying motivated and turning your someday island into a not now, but right now. Let's get it done today. And the best part, it's all free. There's no catch, just pure actionable value, because I believe that everyone deserves a shot at their best life, right? Has a, you know, and a shot at their best dreams and their best goals ever. But this isn't just about me talking to you. This is about us together, a community. Once you're involved in the community, you are part of the community, people chasing victory together, people celebrating their victories together. And so here's your first step. First step, hit the subscribe button, first of all, right there. Turn it on, turn on the notifications. You know how to do that. Join the Victory Skool squad, and then head over to the playlist link below. And you can dive into the next video as soon as it drops, right? They'll be dropping every single week. And then, by the way, drop a comment. You know, tell me one of your goals that you've got brewing in mind right now. You know, as I'm speaking here, I'm pretty sure you're starting to think about some of the goals, some of the dreams, some of the things you may have forgotten. Now, I'm reading every single comment. I can't wait to cheer you on. And, you know, goals are your ticket to a life of victory, and Victory Skool is your guide. Let's set them. Let's chase them. Let's crush them together. I'll see you on the next video. So let's go.